Every time you open your oven, you might think you're just smelling last night's dinner leftovers. But what if I told you that smell might actually be toxic? What if I told you your clean-looking oven could be silently harming your health? Sounds dramatic? Maybe. But this is exactly what happens when we use chemical oven cleaners packed with harsh substances. Substances that not only pollute your food, but can also poison the air in your home. Now here's the twist. What if there's a way to clean your oven just as effectively with ingredients that are already sitting in your kitchen? Before we dive into that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more emotional and truth-driven guides that go beyond just cleaning. We all use our ovens, whether for baking, roasting, or reheating. And over time, a layer of grease, burnt food, and carbon builds up. You may not see it at first, but the smell? You can't miss it. It lingers and worsens. Most people rush to the store, buy a popular cleaner, spray it inside, shut the door, and wait. But have you ever read the back of those bottles? Warnings like, use in well-ventilated areas, or avoid contact with skin and eyes, are printed in fine, almost invisible print. These cleaners contain. The next day, take a spray bottle filled with white vinegar and spritz it all over the baking soda paste. You'll see a fizzy, satisfying reaction. This isn't just fun to watch, it's science. The fizz lifts stubborn grease and makes it wipe away like butter on a hot pan. With a damp cloth or sponge, start wiping everything down. You might need to scrub a few tough spots, but most of it will come off easily. Repeat with more vinegar if needed. You'll be amazed at how clean and fresh your oven looks and smells. No chemical after scent, no worry of toxic residue, just a pristine oven and peace of mind. What about the oven racks? Good question. While your oven is soaking overnight, soak the racks too. Fill your bathtub with hot water, add a few drops of dish soap, and half a cup of vinegar or baking soda. Lay the racks inside and let them soak for several hours, or overnight. The grime will loosen and scrub away with a brush or sponge. No need for those heavy-duty wire brushes. No need for steel wool. Gentle tools do the trick. Chemical cleaners force results through corrosion. They literally burn away the grease, often damaging the metal in the process and leaving behind chemical residues. Natural cleaners, on the other hand, break the bond between grease and surface without harming your oven or your lungs. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and alkaline. It neutralizes acids and absorbs odors. Vinegar is acidic. It dissolves mineral deposits and grime. Together, they're like fire and water, opposites that clean better together. Bonus tip: add lemon for extra freshness. If you want to take it a step further, slice a lemon, squeeze the juice into your vinegar spray bottle, and toss the peels inside. Lemon doesn't just add a fresh scent, it's naturally antibacterial and adds extra grease-cutting power. This tiny change transforms your kitchen into a spa, a place that smells alive, not artificial. This is not just about cleaning, it's about what we invite into our homes. It's about breaking away from shortcuts that cost us our health. Every choice we make, from what we eat to how we clean, tells a bigger story. When you use natural methods, you're not just saving your oven. You're choosing safety. You're choosing awareness. You're choosing to protect your family from toxins that corporations rarely talk about. And you're proving something powerful, that effectiveness doesn't have to come at a cost. What about time? Isn't this slower? Yes, it takes longer. But sometimes, the right things in life do. This method takes a bit of prep and patience, but it rewards you with results that are cleaner, safer, and more satisfying. Isn't your health worth an overnight wait? So the next time your oven looks like a disaster zone, don't reach for the chemical spray. Reach into your pantry. Trust baking soda. Trust vinegar. Trust time. Because when you clean with nature, you clean with intention, and that's a powerful act in today's world. If this guide helped you reimagine what a truly clean kitchen looks like, give this video a like and subscribe for more stories that not only solve problems, but touch lives. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community.